Hello students, welcome to my video lecture on hydrogen atom. Classically, potential energy of hydrogen atom is written as V equal to minus E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught R, where R is orbit radius of the electron. The three-dimensional time-independent Schrodinger equation may be expressed in spherical polar coordinates r, theta and phi. Now we put the value of potential function V in this equation and multiply both sides of the equation by r square sine square theta. Spherical polar coordinates are more suitable than the Cartesian coordinates because the potential function V of hydrogen atom is spherically symmetric. Cartesian coordinates are x, y and z may be expressed in terms of r, theta and phi coordinates as x equal to r sine theta cos phi, y equal to r sine theta sin phi, z equal to r cos theta. We use separation of variables and write the wave function psi as the product of capital R, capital theta and capital phi. Then we separate the Schrodinger equation into azimuthal equation in phi, angular equation in theta and the radial equation in r. The azimuthal equation gives phi equal to 1 upon root 2 pi exponential im phi, where 1 upon root 2 pi is the normalization constant. The angular equation gives the value of theta in terms of the Legendre polynomial PLM function of cos theta. The radial equation is also known as the associated Laguerre equation. We introduce two new variables, alpha square and lambda. To write the radial equation in dimensionless form, we introduce a dimensionless independent variable rho equal to alpha r and get the physically acceptable general asymptotic solution for capital R in terms of exponential minus rho upon 2. Let capital R function of rho be equal to capital F function of rho exponential minus rho upon 2. Now we get the differential equation in capital F, where F is equal to rho to the power s L function of rho. L is the Laguerre polynomial. Now we write the differential equation in L. Boundary conditions allows us to choose s equal to L. Next we seek a power series solution of the form L equal to summation over a nu rho to the power nu. Recursion relation. Equating coefficients of power of rho to the power nu, we get the recursion relation between a nu plus 1 and a nu. In order to terminate the series for L, we have lambda equal to n prime plus L plus 1, where n is principal quantum number, n prime is radial quantum number and L is orbital quantum number. Energy eigenvalues are given by En equal to minus E square upon 2 A naught n square, where A naught is Bohr's radius. Qth Laguerre polynomial is expressed as exponential x d upon dx power q exponential minus x to the power q. First few Laguerre polynomials are listed in this slide. We had the radial wave function in terms of Laguerre polynomial as exponential minus rho to the power 2l, L function of rho. Now we get normalized radial function as RNL function of small r, where n is greater than equal to 1, L is greater than equal to 0 but less than n minus 1, and m greater than equal to minus L and less than plus L. Finally, we get the normalized wave function of the hydrogen atom psi NLM by putting the values of capital R, capital theta and capital phi. Now the degeneracy, which refers to the available number of eigenstates corresponding to the same energy eigenvalues. For n equal to 1, we have degeneracy equal to 1, and for n equal to 2, we have degeneracy equal to 4, expressed by 2s, 2p, 2d, 2f orbitals. Degeneracy, the energy eigenvalues En depends on n and so are degenerate with respect to both L and M. For each value of n, L can carry from 0 to n minus 1, and for each of the L values, M can vary from minus L to plus L. So the total degeneracy of the energy level En is equal to n square. Properties of the radial wave function of hydrogen. The radial wave function of the hydrogen atom behave as follows. They behave like r to the power 1 for small r. They decrease exponentially at large r since L is dominated by the higher powers r to the power n minus L minus 1. Each function RNL function of r has n minus L minus 1 radial nodes since L function of rho is a polynomial of degree n minus L minus 1. Variation of RNLR versus small r upon Bohr's radius have been shown here for different values of n and L. Capital R NL has n minus L minus 1 nodes. Radial probability density R square capital R NL square function of R in arbitrary units have been shown here. Here the shapes of different spherical harmonics have been shown. For y00 the shape is spherical, for y11 and y10 the shape is dumbbell, for y12, y21 and y20 the shapes have been shown in this slide. Lastly, the probability density of electrons are shown for 1s and 2s orbitals. In 2s state, there is a node in the radial probability distribution, which has been shown in the slide. In this discussion, two references have been used. Thank you.